And in this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to make an entry for TDS on a professional in Zoho books. To begin with, locate the Settings option, which is represented by a gear icon. Following this, you'll want to navigate to the Tax settings. Here, you should be able to locate and check the Enable TDS box. The system will prompt you on who the TDS is for, so you need to select vendors from the Support TDS for dropdown. Once that is sorted, progress to the TDS rate section. Here, click the button labeled New TDS Rate. Now it's time to specify details for the TDS. You might want to name it TDS on professional fees or something similar that's easy for you to identify. As for the rate, you should typically fill it in as 10% under Section 194J. Then you need to select TDS payable as the account you would like to track the tax deduction from vendors. After carefully filling in the required details, ensure to save the new TDS rate to move on. Let's now focus on recording the bill from the professional. You ought to create a bill for the professional services and apply the TDS to it. To do this, navigate to Purchases, then Vendors. Here, you can create a new vendor or edit an existing one based on your need. Ensure to check the box labeled Enable TDS for this vendor, which you will locate in the contact details. Next, head over to Purchases again and then to Bills. Here, click on New. In this tab, enter the details of the bill that you received from the professional. Important details to remember include the service item, description of the service, and the total chargeable amount. Towards the end of the process, you will see the Summary section where you need to select the TDS checkbox. Here, choose the name TDS rate you created earlier. Zoho Books will work its magic to automatically deduct the TDS amount, which effectively reduces the payable balance of the bill. After reviewing, save the bill to secure your changes. You're not yet done. There's a crucial last step, recording the payment to the government. To do this, create a payment entry to register the remittance of the TDS amount to the government. Follow this path. Purchases to Expenses, then click New. Select TDS payable as the expense account. Key in the payment details like the amount that you paid, the date when you made the payment, and the specific bank account that you used. For the GST treatment, set it to Out of Scope. Lastly, save the expense entry to complete this cycle. With these guided steps, you should be able to comfortably make an entry for TDS on a professional in Zoho Books.